You just snapped a picture and now you realize that there is either a spot or something in the picture that you don't want, either a person or some object that you wanted to avoid. Here is a quick way of removing that object just using your phone. So when it comes to removing an object or a person from a picture, it's obviously very easy to do that from either one of the softwares, Lightroom, Photoshop, or any other photo editing softwares when you take the picture to the computer. But what if your picture was taken from your phone? What is the best way to remove it easily so that you can just edit the picture on the phone and be done with it? Well, here's a trick I'll show you on one of my pictures that I recently took. I'll be using Snapseed, which is one of the free Google apps. It's available both on Android and iPhone. I'll be using one of my recent pictures that I took during my hike, and it was a beautiful sunrise, but there were some people sitting on the rock and there was no way I could avoid those people, so I had to take that picture with people in it. So here is what we will do. We will try to remove these people from the picture using the Snapseed app. So let's do it. So once you open the app, you should be seeing this screen. All you have to do is add your picture that you want to edit. So click on the plus sign or go on the top left and say open, and that will take you to your photo library in the phone from where you can select the picture. So here's the picture and I can see those people sitting on the rock which I want to avoid. In this case, I won't be going through any other editing because this video is specifically for something to be removed. But again, this photo is not edited, it's taken right from the phone. So all you have to do is on the bottom, you go to the tools. All you have to do is go to the healing tool, which is in the third row, the first one in the third row. So healing, and then once you are here, what you will do is basically zoom in. So all you are doing is basically using your fingers, and then once you are there, you select what you want it to be removed. So I'm doing it in iterations, so obviously I selected it once, it didn't take it properly. I'm doing it this second time, third time, until I get the right view here. So here, this looks good enough where both the people are gone simply by taking the healing tool and touching the screen wherever you want the object to be removed. And in that way they are gone. Now when I zoom out, I can notice that there are some lines being shown there. That tells me that there is some editing done. So I'll just try to avoid it, just touch it and it will all go away. What the app does is it tries to match the surroundings, and then it will automatically take the surroundings and try to fill it in. So once you have done it for a few times, now let's zoom out, and now you can see that you don't see anything there. So it's pretty convenient. Like within few minutes we are done here. The people are gone and now it's a good landscape shot. Now all you do is on the right bottom corner, just press the check mark, and that will confirm that you are okay with the edits. Now go to export on the left bottom corner, and all you do is save the image, and that image is now saved into your library. So it is pretty convenient, pretty quick. It happens right on your phone and you're done. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, and I'll be posting more videos on Snapseed and other photography tips pretty soon here. Thank you for watching.